Hello. So what I'm going to show you now is how to add a payment link into your Google account, Google website. Um, so I'm already logged into my PayPal account. Once you log in, this is the page that you'll see. So when you scroll down and come over to your right, you see the pay link here. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's going to open up this page. So this is the screen that you're going to see in front of you. So remember, we're not clicking on the payment button here. We don't want this. We want the payment link and QR code. This is what we need to add to create and add to our website, the Google site website, so that when people click on this link and they want to make payments, it's gonna route them back into your PayPal account and they can make the payments. So, what is the name and description of the product or the service that you're selling? So, I'm gonna put book support, and then you have to give a description of the product or service. Is optional, but it's better for you to have it there so when people want to make payment, it's going to show up for them to see. So, let me try to paste what I had earlier. So, what did I have? So I have this, if you like personal support after watching the video, blah, 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 the money that I have to charge. So that's just a description. As you can see, when I put a description here, it's showing up right here. What the description of what I'm charging for. So here you have the option to set a price that you want to charge, or you can give the customer the option to put in how much they want to pay you, if they want to tip you. I'd rather just set up. So if you do customer set, they have the option to just enter the amount that they want to pay you. I don't want that. I just want to have a set amount. So let me just put $100 here. So as you can see, as I put the information here, it's showing me on the right. It's showing me what the people are gonna see when they want to make the payment. This is what it's gonna show up as. So you can add images of the product that you're trying to sell, or the product that you have the option to add the images. I'm not doing all that right now. So once you're done with this is the basic of what you need to do. What you need to do after this is to scroll back up and build it. All right, so your link is ready. Now you can copy this link and add it to your website. So this is the link that you're going to add to your website. So when people that you giving the services to click on this link and they want to make payments, it's going to come straight. It's going to write them back to your PayPal account. All right. Thank you.